Alright, here we are, round 2. So this trail should just go straight up there, but they make it go around, which is dumb. So here we are, that's the socialist train over there. Probably call it the Shady Oak. So I'm gonna venture up this bridge. When we come back down, I'll probably run over to Shady Oak Lake and run around that for you guys. I brought a second battery, but I walked to this thing before. Probably come up later, but you can tell they're still working on this debacle. So we'll kind of walk right over here. I walked this before another time, but they're working on this thing, and I don't know what they're doing over there. If they're going to build a, I don't know, they have a parking lot on the other side over here. Won't be ready till 2027. Your lovely tax money is in full regalia. So that's the old, used to be the KTEL building. Remember anybody old enough to view this video, KTEL internationally. I worked there when I was like 16. After I worked for Sambo's as a dishwasher. Worked there for like 3 days. They walked in and said, "Get out. We're closing down Sambo's." I worked there as a forklift driver. I drove it around. He goes, "Just drive it around for a whole day." So they were in the disco days. They were ahead of their time. Greatest hits. All that stuff. So the winter that wasn't the last time we had any snow this year. I was in Las Vegas and Arizona on my little adventure. It snowed, so over there is the old Milwaukee roads. I walked it about 2 years ago in the snow, trudged across, and I did it later on. I did it. You saw it back in the day before of screwing around. By this comes out, you've already seen the whole extravaganza of the light rail, but this is the green line, the train that really goes nowhere for the socialist train. So I think the building was ADC for a while, but I don't know what they necessarily have a maintenance shed over here. I have no idea. That's what I heard, so who knows. Fall down through there, man. You can kind of sneak through there if you want. Let's see if we can. If it goes anywhere. Nope. So I could ride my bike down this thing. That's the old KTEL dock right there. Yep, supposed to get a foot, I guess. I don't know. Getting ready at the airport to start plowing, getting all their stuff ready. I videotaped that video way back and really didn't come to fruition until today with big snowstorms, so I gotta release it. Favorite angry geese down there. The flakes were really big a while ago. See, walking. Another thing about these things, they're cement. They're gonna crack. And I wish they didn't do those ties like that. Should have been wooden. They're gonna find out the hard way. They're like, you know, open water, snowing outside, the hell. I don't know what place that is over there. Anyways, we'll kind of at the top of the hill here. Then we're gonna turn around. I'll walk over to Shady Oak and we'll do a whole circle around Shady Oak probably. Be a long ass fall. Oh, I think they're a tree cutting place. Rainbow. So, rainbow something. I can't read it, but so we're gonna head on back down and we're gonna head over to there. Shady Oak Road over there. So I'm just warm enough to be able to walk over there. Take some pictures of the lake. The outdoor skating was not very good this year. Not at all, so. Alright guys, we'll see you the next one. Oops. The only thing about this thing I said. Hang on a minute.